In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to test Mailchimp. Testing in Mailchimp is an essential step before launching any email campaign to ensure everything looks perfect and works as expected. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or a small business owner venturing into email marketing, this guide will walk you through the process smoothly and efficiently. Let's dive right in. First off, you'll need to get to the Mailchimp login page. It's the gateway to accessing all your campaigns, templates, and subscriber lists. So, simply start by visiting the official Mailchimp website and look for the login section. Once you've found it, proceed to enter your user credentials. Typing in your username or email is the next step. It's crucial your details are entered accurately to avoid any login issues. Make sure you're entering the email associated with your Mailchimp account. Following that, you'll be prompted to type in your password. Remember, passwords are case sensitive, so be sure to enter it exactly as you set it, paying attention to upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols if any are included. After filling in your login details, it's time to click on the login button. If your credentials are correct, you should be taken directly to your Mailchimp dashboard, a centralized hub where you can manage your email campaigns, contacts, and more. Now that you're logged in, navigate to the home page of Mailchimp by clicking on the house icon or home menu if it's not the first thing you see upon logging in. This page provides an overview of your account, including recent campaigns, audience growth, and performance metrics. The next step involves clicking on Campaigns, which you'll find in the main navigation menu. This area is the heart of Mailchimp, where you can create, manage, and analyze your email marketing campaigns. Let's proceed by identifying the specific campaign you wish to test. If you've been working on multiple campaigns, locate the one titled something akin to Test is this one, or however you've named your test campaign. This step is crucial for refining your test email to ensure it fulfills your expectations. Once you've found your campaign, look for the option labeled Send a Test Email. Clicking on this initiates the process to send a trial version of your campaign email, allowing you to review its layout, content, and functionality in an inbox before it goes out to your entire mailing list. Now you'll have to enter the email address where you wish to send your test email. It's a good idea to send it to yourself first, and perhaps a couple of team members or colleagues for an additional set of eyes. This step is vital for catching any errors, typos, or formatting issues that could affect the recipient's perception of your brand. Finally, after typing in the email address for your test send, click on Send Test. This will dispatch your test email, arriving in the inbox you specified momentarily. Once it arrives, review it thoroughly. Check the subject line, preview text, email content, and any links or buttons to ensure everything directs correctly. And there you have it. Those are the steps to test an email campaign in Mailchimp, from login to sending a test email to your specified address. Testing is a key phase in email marketing that can significantly impact the success of your campaigns. Make sure to test each campaign before sending to catch any errors or issues that could affect its performance. Remember, the appearance and functionality of emails can vary across different email clients and devices. Therefore, it's beneficial to send test emails to various email clients like Gmail, Outlook, and Apple Mail, and view them on both desktop and mobile devices, ensuring a seamless experience for all your subscribers. Email marketing is a powerful way to connect with your audience, and with tools like Mailchimp, it's easier than ever to create engaging, professional quality emails that resonate with your subscribers. By following these steps to meticulously test your campaigns, you're on your way to achieving better open rates, click-through rates, and ultimately a more successful email marketing strategy. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Happy testing, and here's to the success of your next email campaign.